Hey, Ben Finley here at MarineMax in Panama City Beach. Today we're looking at this lightly used Boston Whaler 2025 17 Montauk. The boat just came in and only has 16 hours on it. As you can see, it's been well optioned out from the factory. We'll have the white rub rail with a stainless steel insert, as well as the stainless steel rails all the way around. So while you're underway or fishing, you have that added security of the inside the boat, as well with a shallow draft of a Montauk, get in anywhere you would like to. Let's step up inside and see what the inside of the boat has to offer. All right, now we're here on the bow of the 17 Montauk. Have the bow seating package, have our anchor locker up forward, and just under this bow seat here, we'll have a designated fish box. Notice how well it's all finished out. Very clean boat. Have a igloo cooler here for the drinks for the day. And as we come back here towards the helm, we'll have our Simrad MFD as well as a VHF and your JL Audio head controller. Behind here in the cockpit, we'll have a 3-position seat where if you push this all the way forward here, you can access your live well, which has been finished in the blue color, and ample space for your live bait. Here on the back, the boat's powered by 115, and you'll have 2 additional jump seats, which you can remove the backrest for more rod storage. Ben Finley here at MarineMax in Panama City Beach. If you'd like more information on this boat, give us a call today or come see us in person.